Hello guys. Okay, welcome back. We have been dealing on a topic called binary numbers. And I want to give us some series of topics, some series of questions so that when you come across any question that has to do with binary, you'll be able to solve it without thinking, cracking your head. You understand? Now, we have a question on the board which is 10110. This is in base 2, and we are asked to convert this to base 10. So if you are converting this to base 10, it's very simple. It means you are going to use this 2 to multiply every number right here. Are you following? So let's use this 2 to multiply everything here. So what are we going to do? So what we are going to do right now is to start multiplying. So first of all, I will do this like this. Start with this one. 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2. Are you following? Remember, when you are dealing with binaries, our power will start from here, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, this is what we have on the board. Okay, guys, sorry for that break in transmission. So now we have 1 times 2 raised to the power 4 plus 0 times 2 raised to the power 3 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 1 plus 0 times 2 raised to the power 0. So first of all, we have to do this. 2 raised to the power of 4, 1 times 2 raised to the power of 4 will give us 16 plus, we have 0 here already, so anything times 0 is 0 plus 1 times 2, 2 raised to the power of 2 will give us 1 times 4 plus 1 times 1. Anything raised to the power of 1 is 1 now, right? Or 2. Is it 1 or 2? So we have 1 times 2 plus, everything here is 0 because we have 0. 0. Now, one times 16, this will give us 16 plus 4 plus 2. Now this is what we have. 16 plus 4 will give us what? 20 plus this 2, which is equals to what? 22 is 10. So this is the final answer. So 10110 is 22 in base 10. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, share this video, and let's grow together. Please, 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 and please. Thank you for watching.